It's happening.
It's happening.
Okay, so a lot of Model 3 orders have opened up now. So if you haven't looked at your account, definitely do it. But Model 3, performance, all-wheel drive, all that just opened up. So we're going to show you guys our spec that we're actually ordering right now.
Right now.
Right now. Okay, so here you can see Model 3 ready to be designed. So we will start designing. Why not? And here you can kind of see how everything is looking. So we have rear wheel drive, dual motor all-wheel drive, and dual motor all-wheel drive performance. We are just going with the dual motor all-wheel drive non-performance. Delivery in 3 to 5 months. So that's new.
That's still by the end of the year though, so that means 100% $7,500 tax credit.
So this one is going to be silver metallic and the sport rims.
Yep.
So we're going to go with that. Interior, don't really have a choice, so we're going to go with that. And then here we are going to go with just the enhanced autopilot, not full self-driving. And that's it. Super easy. So here you can see a $2,500 payment is required to place your order. Your total deposit is non-refundable. The price here is $60,500. After tax credits and whatnot, you can kind of see their little savings, which are kind of a breakdown down here, which unfortunately the 5-year gas savings isn't as accurate as I have found in the past, but it's still there. You can manipulate it if you would like right here. But yeah, you can kind of see, like, it gives you some loan options too. Final cost breakdown here, $53,000 for the car, $1,000 for paint, $1,500 for rims, which I actually thought were $2,500, so $1,500 is actually a pretty good deal. It included premium black, enhanced autopilot's $5,000, and then yeah, so federal tax credit $7,500 still. Okay, and actually getting your order in by July 1st will ensure
that you should be grandfathered in for the lifetime data plan, or the premium data plan, so you don't have to pay the $100 a year that they just announced a couple days ago. Yeah. So hopefully we will be locked in here with that.
So for those of you that don't know, you have to get your order in by July 1st, otherwise you will actually have to pay $100 a year for the premium connectivity, which is like 4G. That way you can do streaming services and all that. Otherwise, you get the standard, which is basically anything Tesla needs to do to the car, anything mandatory will be pushed. So the premium connectivity is kind of a nice feature. It's $100 a year, so if you order before July 1st, you get grandfathered in, get that free for the life of the car. It's a great deal.
Yeah, it's still not bad compared to some other premium packages that other car companies cost or charge. But, if you can get locked in and don't have to pay that, then it's good. One other thing, though, if you don't get in there by that July 1st date, you still do get the first year for free if you have the premium package. Yeah. And then after that, it's $100 per year.
Correct.
But if you get in now, you don't ever have to pay that.
So, congratulations. We can click next to prepare for delivery. You can do your registration, whether you're going to be registered to one person, 2 people, a company, a trust. I'm going to blur a lot of this out, sorry. You upload your driver's license, your insurance, your trade-in if you have one, and your payment method. There it is. There's the car. So that's basically it. 3 to 5 months is kind of a wait, but I mean, it's not terrible.
Yeah, that's still like September, late September, maybe October.
Maybe earlier, because I know we've seen that a lot with Model S.
Yeah.
But they push out the dates, but then they always bump you forward.
But what that probably means is for that first quarter 3, July, August, September, they're going to be doing those performance models. Yeah. After that, they were going to get into the regular all-wheel drive models. So if we would have maybe chosen performance, it would probably, I guess it's too late now because we already placed our order. Oops. But we might have seen that it would have been ready in 2 months instead of 3. But we'll be ready in 3 to 5 months.
So that's basically it. Model 3 Silver all-wheel drive is coming. Video on that at a later date. We'll keep you guys updated for sure. But yeah, if you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. Feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging. Again, only on Model S and X new in inventory. However, on any Model S, X, or 3, if you order before July 1st, you will get locked in with the premium connectivity, so you don't have to worry about that. So definitely order before then if you would like. As always though, a thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Do you know how to use the camera?
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
I guess.
Is that too
Creepy? Yeah, that's a good word actually.
If I stand right here, I can just go.
I'm keeping all this in.